Hello guys, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this video we will be focusing on Selenium commands. What are Selenium commands? All those commands in which either you say open a window or you get a URL, you clear some text from a view, or else you type something in an input box. All these things are actually controlled by some commands. We call them commands as Selenium commands. These commands are also termed as Selenies. We can have three types of commands from Selenium point of view. So the first is action, second is assessors, and the third one are assertions. Now let's see one by one what all of these commands mean for us. So actions, whenever we are typing something or whenever we are getting a URL, we are clicking a link, all these browser actions that are performed by a browser are termed as actions, right? We generally pass these commands, one command, and what link we are passing on it. Now, the second one is the assessors. Say you have stored some value and you wish to enter that value into an input box. You have stored a particular, password, and you want to enter that password. So all of these things are basically known as assessors, which actually allows you to store the values. And third and last one are the ones in which you don't work on values, but you actually wait for something, or you actually verify a title. All these things clubbed together form a part of assertions. Like say we are basically having two type of assertion commands. So one is assert and one is verify. What do you mean by an assert command? Say I ask you to I ask you to click on a particular button, right? But the button is not visible or is not enabled. In such case, the test case fails, right? So in assert, when this command fails, the test is stopped. There is no further execution available for the test. But if I say I want to verify if the button is visible or not, if in case I am verifying this command, then what happens is the test would log a failure but would continue with the execution process. There might be scenarios wherein you are verifying for say 15 or 20 elements in a particular page. Like you are checking off, are the 20 links that were added visible to you? Out of those 20, only 2 are not visible. So what do you want? It may be the first link is not visible. So do you want to stop the execution even if the one link is not visible? In such cases, you use the assert or else you use the verify. The remaining command remains the same. Also commands like wait for, are part of assertions. So all these commands would be covered up when we actually create our first test case. So that was all from the Selenium's point of view, or the Selenium commands. Stay tuned as we take you through the further lectures. Thank you.